I loved that course. When I saw it come up, you know, when sometimes things come up and you go, that's for me, that's for now. And I was like, I'm doing that course.
It's a pleasure to teach, to tell you the truth. I absolutely love teaching this course.
Yeah, I was excited to do it. And I don't think I expected to get what I got, actually, which was a bonus. I thought I would join and it would help me to just generally soften for myself and others. One of the things that I think really made a difference in the Cultivating Compassion course was that everyone who was there had done MBSR at least once. Actually, some of us had done it more than once over the years.
So by the end of that course, it often leaves people longing for more investigation and more connection in that way.
Whilst those things that I've said are true and I'm having immediate benefits from them, I can actually feel like Eva talked about in the course, it was the start of a process.
They then come and do the Cultivating Compassion course and get much more of that. Just to really deepen what comes out of the MBSR course, which a lot of people don't know that they're coming to a personal development course when they come and do MBSR either.
Having had that previous experience of mindfulness and practice, people were able to be at ease and open and generous.
I think the thing for me is that it's a deeper dive into the personal development aspect. The insight part of what mindfulness offers us, and in particular to orient towards compassion.
As a part of that, being able to have compassion for all the different parts of me. The realization that me at my age and stage have lots of capabilities to help those parts and care for them and love them. Eva was so good at supporting us in the journey that as soon as we would speak to her on the course, or she was also available outside of that, you could get things resolved very quickly. I felt very safe with her and very just that she was there for us, and everything she had learnt in her life was coming together to have this be a good outcome for us. Yeah, it really worked. She, I think, was part of the reason it felt so good as a group, was she created a space of that, you know, of love and compassion and respect, and we're all okay and we're all doing our best. And yeah, it was particularly nice. The group as well, I hadn't expected the group to be as wonderful as they were, I don't think, but also be such a big part of the journey. I didn't think things would work as well online. I didn't think we'd be able to feel the same level of connection. It is different online than face-to-face, but in some ways it's actually can be more intimate.
Look, it's been fantastic. Like, I'm really surprised at the intimacy, the connection that develops through, you know, that we're going through this thing together. And now it actually means that people who have completed the MBSR course can come and do this course. And I've decided to keep it as an online course ongoingly, even though things are opening up, because people can come from all over Australia.
For me, the opportunity of Open Ground just keeps expanding in what's possible for me to learn and grow into.
By the end of the course, you know, like in that last class where we, you know, talk about how it's been and, you know, what you've gotten out of it, just the connections between each other is just beautiful.
As much as I got from it, I really felt like Eva said a number of times that planting the seeds of compassion.
And deepening that sense of, you know, I'm just a human being doing the best I can, you know, just like all other humans, is such a relief for people, you know, such a relief.
I always tell people, go and do MBSR at Open Ground. I've done it. I've been involved with Open Ground for probably 10 years. I promote it to everyone who'll listen. Yeah, it's been the greatest access to peace and understanding.